Guys, I'm gonna show you how to make an easy and quick frittata in the Ninja Foodi XL Grill coming up. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, so you get alerts on all what we're doing here. Guys, I got a hankering for a little breakfast dish, all right? So we're gonna make a ham and cheese frittata using a small cast iron skillet that I have that actually fits in the Ninja Foodi XL Grill. And I'm gonna show you how to make this frittata using the bake feature. We have, of course, we got ham, of course we got cheese, but we also have some green onions in there. We have some bell peppers in there. We use a little pepper, we use a little Parmesan. We got a lot of stuff going into this, but it's not one that you have to overthink. It's very interchangeable. So if you like sausage and not ham, or you like bacon instead of peppers, this is how you roll with it. The frittata is basically just a really thick omelet. All right, so you got a little bit of egg kind of custard thing going on, and you just add your fixings in there, add some cheese, and you call it a day. All right, and I know you guys are going to want to stick around to the end. One, because this is an awesome frittata, but two, I have an announcement at the end of the video, so make sure you stick around all the way through. While you're at it, hit that thumbs up, comment down below, all that good stuff you do on YouTube. Let's get going. All right, guys, let's get this bad boy turned on. We have our pan in there already. As the Ninja Foodi's coming up to temperature, we're also bringing that pan up to temperature. Let's turn it on. Got it on. Get this out of the way. We use the bake function, 350. Let's just move it down to 20. I think 20 is fine. All right, hit start. All right, now it's preheating. So let's go ahead and start making this kind of custard mix. Gonna add about half a cup of whole milk into 6 eggs. Gonna break those down real quick, no big deal. Get all mixy going on. I'm gonna add some Parmesan cheese shredded up, and then I'm gonna add some cracked black pepper. I am not salting this. The Parmesan in there has plenty of salt. If you want more salt in there, feel free to add your own, or build it how you want. Again, it's really, really simple. So that's a healthy tablespoon black pepper. You wanna give it a good whipping. Get your mind out of the gutter. You want to aerate it quite a bit. All right, you want a nice fluffy frittata. So you can see we're adding tons of air to it. My viewers, a lot of them have their minds in the gutter. We're whipping the eggs. All right. Now that we got our eggs all whipped up, we're gonna add the cheese to it, and that's just some regular cheddar. Add our ham in there, some Black Forest ham, no big deal. And then we got our green onions, actually straight from my garden. Go me. So we got a nice homogeneous mix right here. This will make a killer omelet as it is right now. Got all that good flavors going. Good stuff. But we want to saute these peppers a little bit in there. So we're gonna do 5-minute saute on the pepper. Not totally cook them through, but kind of take the edge off a little bit. We're preheated, so let's go ahead and get this together. All right, let's get some olive oil in this pan. It's about a tablespoon or so, no big deal. All right, get our peppers in. Just got a little wooden spoon in here. We're gonna spread them out real nice. And we're gonna give these peppers about 5 minutes, all right? All right, y'all, we got 5 minutes already going. Our peppers are looking nice and sauteed up. We're gonna add our ham, egg, and cheese mixture, okay? Mix these up a little bit, right? Pour them eggs in there. Should get all that goodness out of there, right? Flatten that out a little bit and give them a little mixy mix in there. Guys, this is looking really good. The outside's already heating up along the edge of the pan because it's already hot. So we're gonna go about 5 minutes, check on it, and if it's almost set, almost done where we want it to be, got a little bit of extra cheddar cheese that we're gonna throw over the top of it and just kind of have a nice layer of golden brown cheese on top. What do you say? All right, 5 minutes. Okay, a little bit more than 5 minutes in. We're starting to get a little brownage on top there, but I think it's time we're gonna add a little cheese to this. Can never have too much cheese. Should have ran. Obviously still a little jiggly in there. We got plenty of time, but it's cooking from the outside in. A little heat on top. We'll get this up. I did make a little change. I switched the pan around from one side to the next, moved the handle over from one side to the next. Figured it'd be good just to have a little different direction of heat on there. So all told, 20 minutes. I'm gonna pull it out of the Ninja Foodi Grill, let it relax a little bit, chill out. Come on back, we'll be on the cutting board. All right, y'all, it's time to cut into this bad boy. I've let it sit as long as I possibly could. So we're gonna cut a little wedge out of it. It's got some great smells going on. Let's take a look. Woo. Creamy cheesy. Let's see if I get a little close up on that. It's looking pretty dang good to me. All right, let's get this plated. We'll try it. All right, y'all, it's looking really good. Now I had to put some greenery on there for the thumbnail, but I'm about ready to tuck into this bad boy right here. Still steamy, still hot. I do it because I love you. Oh. I would put that up against any brunch, fancy restaurant, grandmother's best casserole. This right here is the winner, all right? Damn excited, guys. It's very tasty. Listen, it's easy to do. Don't take much time at all. I'll have all the ingredients down below and the time and temperatures, okay? Before I go into my normal end of the video spiel, I want to thank you guys for helping me along this little journey. We recently hit 50,000 subscribers. That is amazing. All right, I'm thankful for each and every one of you guys, all the people that have supported me along the way, who've given me mentorship, who's taught me this YouTube game, to my son who started this with me, T-Bone, to Mrs. CJ who constantly supports me as a camera person, my CFO, buys half the stuff I put on my channel because she thinks it'd be a good idea for a video. Without her, this would not be possible. So this is very, very exciting for me. And there will be a giveaway soon, so make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and I'll give an announcement soon on that. But we're gonna have a lot of prizes to celebrate these 50,000 subscribers, okay? So I just wanna say thank you all very much from the bottom of my heart. Now on to the ending of the video. If you guys wanna get yourself a Ninja Foodi XL Grill or any Ninja products, click the link down below. It's an affiliate link for Shark Ninja. I'm one of their ambassadors, one of their affiliates. It doesn't cost you any more when you buy it, but I get a small commission for sending you over there. So make sure you check it out. My knives, cutting boards, this Lodge pan, I'll put an affiliate link for Amazon down below. It's an 8-inch pan, little cast iron pan, fits perfectly in the XL. If you want to become a part of CJ's crew for real and join me here on YouTube, hit that join button underneath the video. It's right next to the subscribe button, and join in. We got plenty of behind the scenes stuff, and it's a real good time over there, okay? That's it for this one, guys. I hope you have a wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.